tip number 3 is a DIY barista style coffee. Now lots of us are missing our fancy coffee shop coffees at the moment, and so this is a great way to get your coffee kick at home. And it's really simple. All you need is some filter coffee, a cafetiere, and of course your red tractor milk. Did you know that 95% of all British milk is red tractor certified, so that we know it's farmed with care and it's traceable and safe? So I'm going to show you how to make it. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our espresso part, and then we're going to add in some boiling water. Okay, so now that's had a couple of minutes, we're going to press the plunger down. Now you're supposed to do this a couple of times, so I'm going to put about a third of this, and then we're going to do the milk. So now we're going to add the milk. What I've done is I've just rinsed out my cafetiere, and we're going to put the milk in there and then heat it in the microwave. Now my cafetiere has got a plastic handle and a plastic base, so it can go in the microwave. If yours has got a metal one, obviously don't put that in the microwave, that's not going to end well. So I'm going to pop that into the microwave. So my milk has come out of the microwave, and you're just going to pop the cafetiere lid back on, hold onto the lid, you don't want this going everywhere, just make it really silky and smooth. I think milk is something that we all rely on to provide a little bit of comfort, especially at the moment in these kind of, you know, weird and strange times that we're living through. And whether that's, you know, having a cuppa over a video chat with your friends and family, or sharing an ice cream in the garden with your kids, it's something that's always there and always in the centre of those shared moments. Now, semi-skim milk is actually really good. It's only 1.7% fat, and then it's also 95 calories per 200 ml, so it's actually really healthy. Right, so we're gonna add this in. Ooh, exciting times. Okay, mine does not look like a fancy barista coffee. It's nice and frothy on the top though, but it's definitely not got any pretty pictures on there. So while Jackson is running around playing in the garden, I thought I would take a minute of self-care, because it's very important to remember to look after yourself at the moment, as well as keeping in touch with your friends and family and checking in with them and making sure that they're okay.